we talk a lot about neobanks these days, and some of these neobanks do very well. But ING actually 25 years ago was a neobank. We started ING Direct in many countries, which was in the beginning a telephone bank, and clients called in to open accounts. Now that calling in became a digital bank, but it actually meant that we were causing disruption and challenging the status quo. For starters, it is not always easy to buy a home because you see that the house prices over the last decade moved up quite a lot. You do see that many people want to make their homes, our lives more sustainable, but in reality their first concern is, let's say, the economic welfare. Can I pay my rent? Am I able to put my kids to school? Am I get my kids to college? Do I save some money for a rainy day? So what we need to make sure of is that we need to make it economically viable to actually make our homes more sustainable, and therefore think of financing schemes that they can see that from a liquidity and return point of view, it's better to have a more sustainable home. Only based on, let's say, moral superiority, it will be difficult because people are just busy with our daily lives. If we want to stimulate the economy, we also need to make sure that people invest in companies, invest in SMEs, of course with more risk, but can get people higher returns. But helping people to invest and helping people to invest safely, also from small amounts, not only the big private banking clients that we have, is very important and comes much more front to mind now than in the past, where governments were able to take care of people, and that's where a bank needs to step in.